Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix TikTok account doesn't exist problem. So if you're encountering this issue on TikTok, it can be quite frustrating. So here are several steps you can take to try to resolve the problem. So the first one is by checking your credentials. So you'll need to verify your username. So make sure you are entering the correct username. A small typo can lead to this error. So verify username and also your email and phone number. So double check that if you are using the correct, so you can use the correct email or phone number associated with your account. The next one here is by the resetting your password. So if you have the options to tap on the forget password button. So for example here, I'm going to use this one. If you're going to tap on forget password, so use the forget password option on the login screen to reset your password. So this can help if you have forgotten your password or if your account has been compromised. Now, next one here is you'll then need if your account is banned or deleted. So if your account was banned or deleted by TikTok due to violation of their guidelines, you will see this error. So check your email for any notifications from TikTok regarding your account status. Next, you need to update your application. Go to Google Play Store or App Store and then search for TikTok app. And then here, if an update button shows up, you just need to tap on update. Now, if the problem persists, the next method you're going to do is by clearing the cache and data. So go to the phone settings, and then from here, scroll down here and find apps, and then look for manage apps. Now, you just have to wait for a few seconds and then use the search box right there at the top and search for TikTok. So once done, tap on that and then tap on the clear data right here at the bottom right hand corner and then clear cache and then clear all data. Once done, just have to reinstall your application to ensure a fresh version. Next, you just need to check your server status. So sometimes TikTok server might be down or experiencing issues. So you have this kind of error on your application. So here on Google, you just need to search for down detector. So search for it and then you now go to this tool right here. And then you can just find the TikTok application if there is a server issue. So you can check the website to see if there are widespread problems from this application. The next one here to fix this issue is by contacting your TikTok support. So if none of the above steps work, you just need to contact for TikTok support for the assistance. So here, you just have to search, go to the search box and type TikTok support page. Then here, just need to tap on TikTok Help Center. And then here, look for an option to submit a request or report an issue. And then just have to provide all necessary details such as username, email, phone number, and a detailed description of the issue. So by following all of these steps right here, you should resolve the account doesn't exist issue on your TikTok application. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.